What if you could own a bike that perfectly balances comfort, performance, and reliability? A bike that's trusted by millions and still feels fresh on Indian roads. Today, we're talking about one such legend, the Honda CB Unicorn 160. Hello everyone, welcome back to Brand Pru, your trusted destination for the latest bike news, reviews, and upcoming models. In today's video, we'll take a deep look at the Honda CB Unicorn 160, a motorcycle known for its smooth ride, refined engine, and long-term durability. The Honda CB Unicorn 160 comes with a 162.7 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine that delivers smooth and consistent power. This engine is designed for everyday riding, making it ideal for city commutes as well as long highway journeys. The power delivery is linear, which means no sudden jerks, just calm and controlled acceleration. The bike offers a top speed of around 110 km per hour, which is more than enough for daily use. One of the biggest highlights of the Unicorn 160 is its excellent mileage. Thanks to Honda's refined engine technology, riders can expect an average mileage of around 50 to 55 km per liter, depending on riding style and road conditions. With its fuel-efficient nature and decent fuel tank capacity, this bike is perfect for riders who want low running costs. In terms of design, the Honda CB Unicorn 160 follows a simple yet premium look. It doesn't try to be overly sporty, but instead focuses on elegance and comfort. The muscular fuel tank, stylish graphics, and chrome accents give it a mature and classy appearance. The seating posture is upright, and the seat itself is long and well cushioned, making it comfortable for both rider and pillion. When it comes to features, the Unicorn 160 offers everything needed for a practical riding experience. It includes a smooth 5-speed gearbox, reliable braking system, and a suspension setup tuned for comfort. The bike handles rough roads with ease, making it suitable for Indian road conditions. Honda's build quality ensures long-term reliability and peace of mind. Compared to competitors like the Bajaj Pulsar 150 or TVS Apache RTR 160, the Unicorn 160 may feel less aggressive, but it clearly wins in comfort, refinement, and engine smoothness. This bike is made for riders who prefer a stress-free, dependable ride rather than pure sportiness. In conclusion, the Honda CB Unicorn 160 is a perfect choice for daily commuters, office riders, and anyone looking for a reliable, comfortable, and fuel-efficient motorcycle. It may not be flashy, but it delivers where it truly matters: performance, comfort, and trust. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Brand Pru for more bike updates, reviews, and upcoming launches. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.